Hello friends, welcome back to my another amazing tutorial. So friends, this is Rupchan and you are watching Rup Digital channel. In this video, you will learn how to do the guest posting to get the high quality of backlinks. As you know, the backlink is the most important factors to rank your website on Google search results. So friends, let's learn how to do the guest posting and get the backlinks. And before I start the topic, I should ask you one thing. Have you subscribed my channel? If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel to get more updates and to get more knowledge about the digital marketing. So let's start the topic.
So friends, this is my computer screens and now I'm going to show you how to do the guest posting to get high quality of backlinks. You have to find the guest posting website. So just click on this Google search bar and you have to write guest posting site list and click enter, and after that you will see many guest posting website list and you have to choose the best guest posting website who is having high domain authorities and high searches volume. And if you want me to ask what are the website do you use to do the guest posting, then I will strongly recommend you to do the guest posting on Medium, to do the guest posting in Is an Article, to do the guest posting in Region website, to do the guest posting in Listeller. And here you can see the Medium site domain authorities, which is 95, which is one of the best scores. Can you see the searches volume? It's also very high. Next, come to this Is an Article. Domain authorities 87, so it is also very popular. You can come to the Dizon, which has domain authority 84, so it is also very popular site to do the guest posting. So if you do the guest posting in this are the site like medium.com, Is an Articles, Dizon.com, listwheeler.com, then I'm sure you will definitely get the backlinks from these other sites. So let me show you how you can do the guest posting. So friends, it's very easy method to do the guest posting. Just you need to visit this website and you have to create your profile. And here you can see I have already created my profile. So let's sign out and let me show you how you can create the profiles here. And here you can see, so if you are new in this website, so you can click this get started button and you can sign in with your Google account, with your Facebook and with your email. And in the same way, you have to create your profile in Is an Articles, in Design site, in Listeller site. So now I am going to show you how to do the guest posting and what is the proper way to do the guest posting. So let's open this site and already I have signed in, and if you are not signed in this website, so you have to click this join. So let's log in, and after the login, once you have created your profile, and after that you will see the button called write and edit. So let's click this button and here you can see the title. Here you have to give your title name. So my blog title name is 14 best restaurants in Kolkata that you must visit today. So let's copy this and paste it here. Okay, and if you want to take any suggestion from them, so you can get the suggestion from them also. So let's click this save button, and after that here you can see the category. So once you will click this button, in this section you have to choose your blog categories. So if your blog is related to the fitness, so you have to choose the fitness category. If your blog is related to the restaurant reviews, hotel reviews, or if your blog is related to the digital marketing, email marketing, then you have to choose your category from here. So my website is related to the food and drinks and restaurant reviews. So let's search food and drinks, and here you can see food and drink, and my blog subcategory is restaurant review, and here you can see the restaurant reviews, and click save. And now here you have to provide the summary, which is first paragraph on your articles. So let's copy this and paste it there and click save button. And in these sections you have to provide your whole articles body. So let's go to my articles and copy my articles. So I'm just copying my articles and paste it over there, and let's click save. So friends, here you can see my articles body here, and in these sections write the tags and click save button. And in this resources box, here you have to provide your original article links. which is you have already written on your website. So my website is ashruptravels.com, and friends, this is my original article and I have to provide these links to that resources box. So let's go to the design article and click the resources box and paste it here and click save button, and after that you have to click the submit this article. Either else you can go for the review. So let's preview this article, and here you can see, so this is my article which is about the best restaurants in Kolkata that you must visit today. Okay, so friends, this is my articles, and scroll down and here you can see if you want to do some correction, so you can go back to the body and from there you can do the correction, and here you can see your original article links, which is this is the one. So friends, this is the way you have to generate the backlinks for your website. So let's close this, and after that, after previewing your articles, you have to click this submit button. So I have already submitted this. So friends, I hope you have learned how to do the guest posting on Usain Articles website. And now I'm going to take you through the medium.com. So let's sign in, because already I have created the account on Medium. So let's click sign in and sign in with Google. So friends, I have signed in to my Medium account. So to do the guest posting on this site, you have to click your profile, and here you can see write a story. So click write a story, and from here you have to start writing your blog post. So in this section you have to give your headline, which is this is the one. So let's copy this headline and paste it there, and after that you have to start writing your content. And in between the content, if you want to add any kinds of image, so you have to click this plus icon, and after that you can see the camera. So let's click the camera. You can pick the images according to your choice. And now I'm going to show you how you can add your website link to this content. So let's copy all the content from here and paste it here. So friends, you have written an article, and after completing your article you have to give your website link. So for that you have to go to your website and you have to copy your URL, and let's come to the Medium, and I want to add a link in between this content. Select and click this hyperlink button and paste it here and click enter. After that it will be linked to your blog post page, and now you have to click this publish button. So once you click the publish button, in this section you have to add your feature image, and you can add the tags here. So after adding your tags, you need to publish this. So friends, this is the way you have to generate the backlinks for your website by guest posting.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video was helpful to you, please do subscribe and give a thumbs up. Till the time, tata, bye bye.